for the cakes.
These?
Yeah.
And what else? These?
Yeah.
I wonder what flavour it is.
I don't know. You've got to eat it whilst on the camera. Come on then. You don't look impressed.
Right.
You don't look impressed. Have me a card. I quite like that. It's good. Well,
I think this is more mine.
we'll find out if it's yummy. You might just swap me or feed me. Very fresh. It's got custard in it as well. Lovely that.
It's been really cold.
Oh, I thought you'd had some already.
Oh,
Hot?
cold.
Cold. Sweden, Gamla Stan. Is it Gamla Stan or Gamla Stan? Gamla Stan, I think. In the old town of Sweden, looking around, trying to find the iconic buildings at the front of it. We can't seem to find it currently. It's here in my bloody way now. Maybe I'm in their way actually. Don't even know what. Let's just move on. We'll do it somewhere else. It's too busy
We've
here.
got 30 seconds.
What do you mean? I don't know what
3,
to say. Just say
2,
like
1.
we're doing a walking tour around Gamla Stan. We booked on, you walk around, you pay at the end, learn stuff about the city. That's what we're going to do. And then they had a flag day for like 60 years and then they changed it.
1, 2, 3, 4. She tries to please too much, and I said, baby, why be this way?
1252, that's like, you know, like.
She tries to please herself too much, and I said, baby, why be this way?
The most bougie toilet I've ever been in. Oh my God.
She tries to please herself too much, then she wonders why she sold it down. But I said, baby, take a look around. It's a beautiful day. We could go for a ride down to the beach. And she said she don't like it when the sand get on her feet.
Just crazy. Amazing.
She tries to